In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scrape Airtable efficiently and effectively, all in just about 5 minutes. Airtable is an outstanding tool for building next-gen apps, organizing data, and collaborating with your team. Knowing how to scrape data from it can open up a world of possibilities for managing and analyzing information. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to visit the Airtable website. Type in the URL or simply search for Airtable in your web browser to arrive at the homepage. Once you're there, we'll move on to the next essential step, signing in. Look for the sign in button on the top right corner and click on it. It's important to access your account to work with your data within Airtable. After signing in, navigate to your Airtable home. The home page is where you can see all of your bases, which are essentially the databases where your information is directly stored. From there, you'll want to go to a specific base where you intend to perform your data scraping. Click on the base to open it. This is your central hub for everything you'll be doing today. Once you've opened the relevant base, it's time to click on the Extensions tab. Extensions in Airtable are somewhat akin to plugins and allow you to extend the functionality of your Airtable bases. By adding the right extension, you can streamline your data processes dramatically. Next, you're going to add a new extension. Look for the option that says Add an Extension and select it. In the search bar that appears, type in Data Fetcher. Data Fetcher is a powerful and flexible extension that helps you pull in data from various sources directly into your Airtable base. Upon typing, you should see it appear in the search results. Click on Data Fetcher to proceed with the installation. After selecting Data Fetcher, you'll find the option to Add Extension. Click on it to begin the installation process. This particular extension will allow you to connect with and import data from external sources seamlessly, thereby enabling you to scrape the data you need efficiently. Once added, you can further configure Data Fetcher according to your specific needs. Set it up to fetch data from your desired sources, automating various tasks that can save considerable time and effort, and there you have it. In just a few quick and simple steps, you've learned how to scrape data from Airtable using the Data Fetcher extension. Remember, becoming proficient with tools like Airtable can greatly enhance your data management capabilities, making your processes faster and more efficient. Thanks for following along, and until next time, keep optimizing your workflows and make the most of your digital tools.